On behalf of Atal Incubation Center NIFT TEA, I welcome everyone for MoU signing ceremony. This is an online MoU signing ceremony between Atal Incubation Center NIFT TEA and the Vogue Institute of Art and Design. From our end, we have our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. S. Pereswamy, and Mr. P. Mohan, Chairman of NIFT TEA Nitwar Fashion Institute, and Dr. C.B. Sendil Kumar, Technical Head, and K.C. Mohan Prabhu, Research Associate, for in the event. And I also welcome the Chairman of Vogue Institute of Art and Design, Dr. M.M. Kariyappa, and Dr. Girish, and Director, Mr. Dr. H.L. Vijay Kumar, and Speka Jayalakshmi, and other faculty members from Vogue Institute of Arts and Science. Now, I would like to invite Pereswamy sir to give away the opening remarks of this event. I invite Pereswamy sir.
Good morning. It is a great pleasure to sign MoU between AICT Incubation Apparels and Vogue Institute of Art and Design in presence of our chairman, Mr. Sri Mohan, and Dr. Kariyappa of Vogue Institute. So I welcome Sri Mohan, Chairman, NIFT TEA Fashion Institute, and also Dr. Kariyappa, Vogue Institute of Art and Design, and Dr. H.L. Vijay Kumar, the Director of Institute, and Director and the staff of all the Vogue Institute of Art and Design. My colleague, both Dr. Sendil Kumar and Prabhu Research Assistant, and Sangeeta and Samayadure. So today is really an auspicious day, and first we are signing an MoU between the two institutions. The objective is to support the incubators. In fact, the AIC NIFT TEA Incubation Center for Textiles and Apparel, supported by Atal Innovation Mission, NIFT TEA, Government of India, fostering particularly, supporting incubators, having a clear impact on social and environmental and economic perspective. And here we focus more on the sustainable textiles. The reason is that most of the retailers, the purchasing from, importing from India, they have changed even their vision that they will be sourcing material from the supplier that the material fits for landfill. So it means the sustainable textiles, their focus is on these two issues. One is has to be a biodegradable product, or recycle, or it can be reused product. So we wanted to encourage the students community to develop innovative products in these things. And besides now, so in the circular economy, again, so we have to identify the biodegradable raw material, besides even the dyes stuff, and importantly this antimicrobial. Because in 2050, this particularly this when you talk about this mask, though we have N95 surgical mask and other things, but it is estimated in 2050 around 10 million people will die due to these multi-drug resistance bacteria. So we need to develop some of the innovative product. It deactivates even the virus, bacteria, and also these microbes. So again we have to focus on these saving conservation of energy, conservation of water, and again this automation. So now even this exhibition is going to be conducted through virtual, and one of our incubators is going to organize this virtual exhibition in this aspect. And again we partnered with FICCI and this Environmental Protection Program UK, and they awarded this best case study in 2020 for this global textile value chain. And so there it demonstrates very clearly that people are interested in this product. So now what we plan now, because of this MoU, signing MoU with various institutions and universities. Now we have signed an MoU with Periyar University and Alappa University. Even yesterday, I received a call from Dean of Bharatiyar University that they are interested to sign for an MoU. So here, when we all collaborate, these all the fashion designs and these textiles, cannot be kept as an isolated. So we need to involve the different departments like nanotechnology, this robotics, and this microbiology. So we have to get inputs from all the departments, and we need to develop an innovative product in this aspect. So here in Atal Incubation Center, with after making this initiative and this in fact we have been discussing these things with our very long time. Continuously we are associating with Dr. Atal Vijay Kumar in this product development and also this curriculum development for the university and the institutions. And this is really a good opportunity for us to sign an MoU, and we have a lot of philanthropists, and here particularly our chairman NIFT TEA, in spite of his lot of his work, and he devoted more time for the development of institutions, and also he needs to support the incubators here because we have now a lot of demand from defense, and we received samples for further development from the defense, and we need to focus more on this supply to PSU also. So these are all possible when we collaborate, university, institutions, and AIC, and so that, and this Bangalore is very famous for these all the woven Tirupur being needs hub. And since we are focusing throughout in India, and this is a good opportunity for us to develop some new program. Now the program envisaged is that one is the I2P. That will be our first program, that is idea to product. So we will be getting students throughout India, and then again we will be going for P to M, that is product to market. So in that stage, we will be helping them in all these aspects, so that they will be completely setting up a factory, and they will be coming to this situation to develop their market. Then afterwards, then maturity level, where they can collaborate with all the big type of things, and so that is the stage we wanted to bring. And so everywhere we need to filter, and it will be a world-class incubation center here, and really with all this support and encouragement, it is quite possible. And also now we wanted to link all these alumni also. So we have been receiving inputs from so many alumni. They wanted to support the students. No, in that case they can come out with some of the interested product, innovative product, setting up the factory, and so that they can help for the corporate life. So whatever the corporate wanted to source, that can be developed here. Now we will be coming out with the problem statement in all the aspects which we have been discussing, like biodegradable, and also this energy conservation and automation, and again the social aspect. Really, I thank our chairman and also Dr. Kariappa, the director, and Atal Vijay Kumar for taking this initiative. And I think this is the first time in this the signing MOU happens eventually. Thank you very much. Then we'll be signing MOU before inviting our chairman.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving away the opening remarks. Now, I invite Mr. P. Morgan, sir, Chairman of NIFT TEA Network Fashion Institute, to give away felicitations. Sir, please, Chairman, sir. In 2 minutes, bro, just for mic unmute paniking, sir. Mic unmute.
Yes, sir.
Mic.
Unmute.
Okay.
Hear me?
Okay. Correct.
Yeah.
Face lunch.
Yes.
Good morning, one and all. We are happy to see you all. That you know that NIFT TEA is enter the next month 25th Silver Jubilee year. You know that NIFT colleges in Tirupur, nearly 200 commentators joined together and run the institute in last 25 years. Now that one person, AIC NIFT TEA also that now running, that already explained that our CEO, that Parisami sir, that AIC activities in this year and in future also. That AIC innovation that support the in future that industry and universities and also student also, that alumni, we are joined together that just go to the next level. We are happy to join this meeting and MOU signing Germany. We congratulate that all this go to next level. We are all get together work with that next level. Thank you that all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind supportive speech. Now, I would like to invite Dr. M. Kariappa, Chairman, Vogue Institute of Art and Design, to give away few words.
First of all, good morning to all of you. Good morning to all the participants who are with me at the moment. I'm actually coming to online for the first time, and I'm not well versed with the process. Nevertheless, it's been such a pleasure for me to see our innovation and technology in terms of online media has gone this far. Now, I must thank the AI NIFT TEA, the Incubation Center for Textiles and Apparel, Tirupur, coming forward in coordination with the Vogue Institute of Art and Design in terms of transfer of technology, product development, and entrepreneurship development. I think this is a wonderful initiation on the part of my director, Dr. Atal Vijay Kumar, taking this initiative forward, bringing this both these institutions together, betterment of society and in terms of advanced technology. I must thank the chairman, the chief executive officer, Mr. Parisamy, Dr. Sendil Kumar, and rest of the team members coming forward to take this initiative with us and working together for mutual benefits. Thank you, sir. Thanks all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we start the MoU signing ceremony. The MoU already created, and by put the e-signature of my CEO, Mr. Periyasan sir, and also the e-signature of Dr. H.L. Vijay Kumar. By the way, we created the MoU, and in front of the chairman of NIFT TEA and in front of the chairman of Vogue Institute and other faculty members, now we are creating the MoU between the Atal Incubation Center NIFT TEA and Vogue Institute of Art and Design. So because of this MoU, both the institutions get benefited. From our end, we can get a lot of inputs from the Vogue Institute, and your students can also be part of the incubation program that offered in the Atal Incubation Center NIFT TEA. And your student, from your end, your students can join here for virtual incubation. They can come out with the startup business. All such things are possible. Joint research programs are possible. Whatever the avenues available, we can collaborate each other. So in the August presence of NIFT TEA chairman, Mr. P. Mohan, and chairman of Vogue Institute, Dr. M. Kariyappa, and other faculty members, now we are exchanging the MoU. Thank you, sir. And now I would like to invite Dr. H.L. Vijay Kumar, Director, Vogue Institute of Art and Design, to give away the closing remarks.
Thank you, Senthil. Good morning to everybody. Dr. P. Mohan, Chairman of NIFT TEA Institute, Dr. M. Kariyappa, Chairman of Vogue Institute of Art and Design, and also Chairman of Manduda Education Trust, which is running more than 2 professional colleges in Bangalore, and Dr. Periyaswamy, the CEO of Atal Incubation Center, and also Dr. Girish and my good other colleagues from both organizations. First of all, I'm very happy to associate with Atal Incubation Center because NIFT TEA is not new to me, because as the chairman of NIFT TEA said very clearly, successfully they have completed 25 years. Still I start recollecting the 25 years back, I was participated in the first interview for the principal post. I was selected. My name was kept for 2 years with, when RM Subramaniam was the chairman and secretary. I was selected. I was there. But my relationship with Tirupur is go back to 1985. I really, why we wanted to have a MoU signing is actually with the Atal Incubation Center. Whatever the achievements I have done, maybe PhD or maybe my PhD to other PhDs, this is because of the support extended by the Tirupur entrepreneurs. I still remember in 1993 when I met the chairman of TEA. I wanted to develop a new product, which is a sponsored project from government of Switzerland. He immediately said, "Doctor, we provide you all the facilities to carry out," and he recommended Italian government to support me. The journey started on that day. Still today, I am very closely associated with the Tirupur Industries. I am also the mentor for the incubation center of Atal Incubation Center. I regularly visit your place, and this is the only place I see from the entrepreneurs. First, hands-on support will be given to all the researchers. I never seen that type of facilities given in Bangalore also. 2 places I always remember. One is Lakshmi Machinery Works pilot plant, where I developed a lot of yarns for our product. New innovations have been carried out, and those yarns were converted into fabric, maybe knitwear or the woven wear in Tirupur. That is the strength of Tirupur. And whatever the support the entrepreneurs and Atal Incubation Center gives to our institute, our students and the faculty members and alumni will use those opportunities. See that many more innovations will come out from our side, and we assure from our management, from our faculty side, we support Atal Incubation Center, and also we take the help of Atal Incubation Center to develop new products for the benefit of the industry. And our whatever the present situation we have because of COVID-19 and also the mind of our Prime Minister
valuable time for the past 30 minutes, and I hope this MoU may go up to next level, and we may expect more number of virtual incubators from Vogue Institute of Art and Design. By the way, we can able to contribute for the innovation ecosystem of India. And now it is time to say bye-bye. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for participating in the meeting, and have a good day. Thank you.
Before concluding,
Yes, sir.
I'd like to give I must really thank my colleague and friend Dr. Atal Vijayakumar for taking this initiative forward. Now I must mention it with all the 25 years being in the field. My former directors or principals have never thought of this kind of drive and initiation. But I was really thank Dr. Vijayakumar bringing this platform together so that we could work for the betterment of society and for a common cause. Thank you so much for being with us and trusting us, and looking forward to work with you all, sir. Thank you very much for making this event happen.
Thank you, sir. We welcome you to AIC NIFT TEA and see all our facilities and other things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Definitely,
So I just request Dr. Senthil Kumar just to share some of the innovations happened in AIC NIFT TEA. Over to Senthil Kumar.
Yes, it's a very good morning to all, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's a very pleasure to have a joining MoU with an Vogue Institute. Yes, sir. Hello. Are you hearing, sir?
Yes, you can.
Yes, yeah. Very good morning to one and all.
Yes.
It's a very pleasure to have an MoU with an Vogue Institute of Art and Design. So actually, NIFT TEA institutes are located into the industrial cluster. We are very strong onto the technology developments, all the product developments areas. We have the very unique kind of machines which can able to make it onto the fabric which is suitable for the high-end sportswear fabric, high-end fashionable products, high-end athletic wear. So many applications it could be possible, including right from the defenses also. So that kind of facilities actually the students can try out with our machines. So in addition to that one, since we are located onto the industrial cluster, there is, with the support of the member industries, we are exploring the lot of opportunities jointly with the industries. Actually, the industry is also supporting to the many extents, especially out of our chairman and the industries. So our incubators are mainly focusing onto the sustainable textiles. So if you are all working onto the non-conventional fibers, especially from the banana material and other the fibers which is then available onto the natural resources, by focusing onto the sustainable aspects. And then not only onto the raw material, we are also focusing onto the sustainable textiles onto the process aspects and then energy conservation, and then the natural dyes with an innovative methodology with the natural dyes. So this kind of many areas we are working. On the other end, actually within some new startups, we are working onto the artificial technologies also, which can be then increasing then productivity and then quality enhancement onto the production flows. Now the industry is also looking, since it will be then, we are into then industry 4.0, the fourth revolution of the industry, says. The industry is also into the pace of the automation, says. When we are coming to then that majority of the textile industries are mostly it's an MSME in nature. So the industry is also looking for then this kind of startups or otherwise then students with an innovative ideas to that can be then potentially it can be then developed into then proof of concept level and then deployed to then industry levels as well. So that kind of hand-holding supports we are providing to then students as well as then industry, many startups, the new startups also we are providing. So a lot of opportunities are there. Since actually any the textile related industries, all then suppose any startups are arriving with the new ideas, the major customer actually available into them. The industry itself, more than 7,000 industries are located into the Tirupur industries. So the industry itself is the biggest consumer for the new startups who can acquire then their technologies. In addition to that one, any onto them, then startups are coming within some innovative, sustainable products. Then more than thousands of buyers is already sourcing from this Tirupur clusters, connecting to the market or connecting, reaching out to the buyers is also, it's an already very easiest to us. So not only with an incubation center, actually we gotten recently approved to set up a designer studio at NIFT TEA campus with the support of MSME ministers. So to the crore of 15 crores as a designer studio is going to come. I hope this is one of the exclusive facility within complete comprehensive facilities. Any the designers, it's for the domestic market or otherwise then overseas market, they can explore this design opportunities. Even then foreign designers is also, they are doing the design in terms of the design developments within foreign buyers as it very costly affairs as well. So what we planned actually, even the foreign designers, the buyer designers, they can visit our facilities and then they can sit it for them 10 to 15 days a year and then they can develop the designs and then they can place the orders to the industries itself. So that kind of facilities actually we are planning with an addition to the incubation centers. So whatever may be the new kinds of designs developed and then it could be then incubated very well through then our facilities and then taken to the market. So I hope this will be then very good common platform. Any the new technology developments or any the design developments, not only license within just onto the book or shelf. It could be then platform where immediately transform into the industries. And then whatever may be the technologies is actually developed, then industries are ready to immediately acquire one. So industries every day now we're looking for the new technologies, new products. Every day there will be then we are getting inquiries. Every day at least 2 to 3 industries is actually they are bringing with it. Actually, my customer is asking this kind of products, what is the technological solutions, how to develop it. So that kind of then already existing the platforms are there. So with this platform, actually the students actually of your institutes can explore that opportunities also. Anything, the new developments from the industries coming and then they are also ready to support us. Even the student intent programs also we can engage it. Even they can come onto them this industry platform and then they sit onto the industries and then they can develop to the any developments also what the industry looking for the work. So a lot of opportunities are there, sir. We'll jointly collaborate and then we will explore many opportunities also, sir. I thought Dr. Atal Incubation Center knows us very well about this cluster prospectus and then adaptability of any technologies by this cluster members, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, we're happy to join with you, sir. We'll explore a lot of opportunities and then we'll jointly do it.
Thank you, Senthil. For other members, I wanted to share with you, our institute has got all types of expertise in terms of fashion designing, in terms of interior designing. We have courses interior, we have architects, we have animation and multimedia and textile designing. Therefore, we can support in all these areas which is relevant to the field. And also at the same time, we have faculty members from the textile background, master degree in MTech textiles. We have the designer from NIFT, and also we have the MSc textiles and clothing. Therefore, we have the different expertise in the field. And for the information of Mr. Periyaswamy and also this chairman, our chairman, and the thing, my first product, my loved product, which I discuss with Mr. Periyaswamy regularly, and I'm going to put one of our HOD as in charge to start doing. That is, he is the fat department HOD. I want to make him more active now. The Aracanut fiber, which I developed initial days, and he is from the Aracanut belt only. I am going to insist him to start the project and development of new product using Aracanut fiber. For the information of all the members, 15,000 crores tons of 15,000 crore tons of Aracanut fiber is being wasted in Karnataka. 15,000, because we are the highest cultivators of Aracanut. After using the nut, all Aracanut fibers are being wasted, and already I did preliminary work on that. New products were already developed using Aracanut fiber, and you have the technology to how to soften the Aracanut banana fiber. We can extend the same thing to the Aracanut fiber. I am going to put our HOD Sandeep onto this, along with the designers to join with that. We start working on this area. You can find that next year you can find a new product using this.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir. We will extend our support.
Always, sir, with the support of both the chairmen, we can do wonders in the coming days.
Definitely, sir.
It's a future is it's a utilization of the natural resources, actually.
Yes, yes.
On a funnier note, I would like to end. All this while, Dr. Vijay Kumar was associated with the Army School of Fashion Design, and he was successful in taking that institution forward with the incubation center. Now that he has brought this initiative with Vogue into Art and Design, how Dr. Vijay Kumar is going to save himself from the army, guns and so that's a question. That is something to worry about, apart from COVID-19 at the moment.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Wonderful, sir. Great platform. Wonderful, sir. I've thoroughly enjoyed.
Yeah, thank you.
Allow me to end this up. So on behalf of Vogue Institute of Art and Design, we are very pleased to witness the commitment of both the bodies to establish a closer collaboration and to leverage on each other's strength to spearhead the research work. I believe such collaboration is very timely and relevant. So I'm also confident that this partnership will drive a new wave of world-class developments in the fields of textiles and apparel. So thank you so much to all of you for joining us today, and hope all of have a good day and we have a good future together. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.